The police safely carry out a controlled detonation of an IED in Srinagar. This IED was placed near Hotel Himal near Dal Lake. Security agencies detected 3 to 4 kgs of IED planted close to a hotel. Let's go across to Farid, who joins us on this big story. Farid, what really have the security agencies detected?
Well, yes, at around 1 p.m. this afternoon, the security forces stumbled upon an IED, an improvised explosive device, and as rightly said, the weight of which was said to be between 3 to 4 kgs. This IED was planted in the compound of a hotel, Hotel Himal, that is located on the shore of the famous Dal Lake here at Boulevard. Immediately, the bomb disposal squad was brought in at the spot, and they carried out a controlled detonation of this IED. At this time, the area has been sanitized and a normal routine thing is continuing. But yes, it was a 3 to 4 kg IED that was detected by the police. Immediately, the bomb disposal squad came in and they took the IED away from, in fact, the whole area was first, the civilian movement was restricted. The civilians were evacuated from that place because this really is the tourism season in the valley, and there's a lot of tourists around, locals around. So first, they were evacuated from the spot, and then the bomb disposal squad came in and took the IED to a safe location, and then it was detonated through a controlled explosion. And after that, again, the area was sanitized, search operation kind of was carried out in the area, and after which the routine thing now continues. The area was thrown open for the people. But yes, at this time we really don't know as to who exactly was the target of this IED. Or we don't know that in this hotel there are 2 liquor shops that are running. There are 2 liquor shops in the Hotel Himal. So at this time one can think that this IED could have been there to target these liquor shops, but that would be really premature considering that the police is saying that the investigations are on, but the initial finger is being pointed towards those 2 liquor shops because they could be the target of this IED. But as of now, the police is tight-lipped. They're saying that they have really stopped a major catastrophe or a major incident from happening, because if this IED would have exploded.
Right.
So then what would have happened is that there was a lot of movement of the people, so there could have been a lot of damage, or there could have been loss to property.
Thanks, Farid, for that.